Pennsylvania Turnpike equipment operators at the Everett Maintenance Facility are trying out a new idea that may help keep crews safer on the highway, and it doesn't cost a lot of money to do it.
So part of the new idea is the train horn there you can see on the back, and that is to kind of wake up a complacent motorist, to get their attention so that they can notice that you're in the lane.
And is that a problem out there on the road, distracted drivers?
All the time. Especially if you're in the crash truck that's in the back of the lane, there's constant fear of getting hit.
Manager of Traffic Engineering Tom Mashoni presented the idea of using an air horn to warn distracted drivers when they miss all of the other signs of a work zone. It can be activated with the flip of a switch.
So here's the switch right here, just a nice little... If you're looking in your mirror and you're getting uncomfortable, you might as well let them know.